Good morning, Navajo in the city. This is your hostess with the mostess. Today, roasted blue cornmeal. Actually, blue cornmeal, not blue cornmeal. I'm gonna show this to you today. It's getting kind of cool in the mornings and also in the evenings, and this is a good treat for you guys. I'm running out the door this morning. I need that time is just going by fast. So let me just give you a quick recipe. What I've got is 4 cups of water, 2 cups anitan. It's already on the stove starting to boil, which is actually waiting for me right now. And the other 2 cups I'm going to pour in this bowl. First thing is 1 cup of the blue corn meal. I'm gonna stir that a little bit to make sure there's no balls forming in here. Spread that around. I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. So 4 cups of water, 2 in the pan that's boiling already, and then 2 in this bowl here. And I'm just gonna mix well. So there are variations to this. And Hispanics call this recipe atolé, A-T-O-L-E. Western world, we probably can call it hot porridge, except maybe hot cereal, because hot porridge is oatmeal, or oats, I should say. And then this is kind of like hot cereal. And the NITC, you can probably call it Twoosh'chiin, you know. So I'm going to mix this really good and make sure there's no balls in it. 4 cups of water, 2 in the saucepan, 2 in the bowl, 1 cup of blue cornmeal. I'm going to add butter, and then you can also add regular sugar to that. So this here is not blue corn mush. Blue corn mush doesn't require milk. This one we're going to add 1 cup of milk. Let me show you. All right, so I've got 2 cups of water boiling already, and I'm going to add the blue cornmeal to it. I wish you could see this. Sorry about that. That's one of the challenges about recording. A lot of times when I want to record, I'm here by myself. And I just keep stirring because I don't want any cereal balls to form. And let me just show it to you. Bring the camera over. That looks good. So at this time, I want to thank Nappy for their sponsorship. They sent me a whole large, nice big bag of blue cornmeal. Thank you so much. Visit their website, visit their Facebook page under Navajo Pride. So it's starting to boil. I don't want it to settle. You don't want it to settle at the bottom. It'll get thick at the bottom. Okay, stir, stir, stir. Blue corn mush is very similar to this, except you don't add milk. Just plain water. This one here, we're going to add milk. Then add my butter. This recipe, we're not going to be eating it. We're going to be drinking it. So me running out the door, all I'm going to do is throw it in a coffee cup and just take it to work. Take it to work with me. Again, 4 cups of water, 1 cup of blue corn mush, some butter. Oh, I'm starting to feel it getting thick at the bottom, something you don't want to do. Stir, stir, stir. I'm going to add my milk. Blue corn mush, very similar to this. Sometimes people add salt, sometimes people add sugar. I try to eat mine as plain as possible. It's much more natural that way. And this one here, if we were gonna make the atolé, you add the Mexican brown sugar. I don't know if I still have some. Let me show it to you if I do. All right. So I looked in my pantry and, okay, it's recording. I found out I don't have any of the piloncillo, Piloncillo, the Mexican brown sugar, so I'm just going to have to do without it, but normally I'll do that. I'm rushing already. I filled up my cups and all that stuff. I just wanted to show you this to you real quick. It has a really nice creamy consistency, yeah. Okay. I'm running out the door, as I mentioned already. Did you eat yet, Mari? No. Did you eat yet? No. Okay, she didn't eat yet. I knew that. So guess what? We're putting in a red cup for her. I am doing it red style. Putting it in my Campbell's soup. The Campbell's soup is not going in here. My blue mush, my hot cereal is going in there. I don't want to call it blue mush yet because I added water. And another thing I didn't add that Navajo Pride does have is this, let me see if I can get close to the camera here. Okay, juniper ash, actually cedar ash. Okay, so that's what I make the blue corn mush, that's what I'll be adding in there. Not this one here. This one is just simple hot cereal, Twoosh'chiin, as I'm running out the door. So anyway, quick video, gotta go. Have a good day. Bye. Quick note. My daughter was rushing and just ran out the car, not even really thinking. Books falling behind her and everything. Guess what? She left her cornmeal hot cereal behind, and I get to have it. It was really good. Cheers!